Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join these motifs with different methods. For this one I will use 6mm crochet hook and Kartopu lacquer yarn. Of course you can use any kind of yarn and hook, and you can use any kind of motifs finishing with double crochet or single crochet. It can work, or you can even use it for grannies. If you have any question about them, please leave comments. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with the easiest way. Make a slip knot and put your motifs as you like, and I will join these two first like that, then these two, then join this two and these two together. I hope I can explain it. I will start like that, right side looking to each other inside. Insert my hook into the corners. Take the yarn, make a chain, insert into same place and make a single crochet. And now insert into the first stitch and first stitch again. Grab the yarn, make a single crochet. Grab this one and this one, make a single. And keep making like that. And it will look like this. If you want, you can make it like that too. Just use these back loops. Use this back loop. Sorry, this is front loop. If you are looking from this side, this is front loop. And this is back loop. Take them, make a single crochet or slip stitch, it's up to you. Take front loop and back loop, make a single crochet. Front loop and back loop, make a single crochet. And I will make a little more so you can see clearly. I'm at the corner and I will make a single crochet here. Now I want to show you. If you start like I start to make it, it will look like that. And you see here. You can use both of these methods. And when you complete here, just grab these two make a single crochet here and keep joining. And when you finish joining here, fold this like that and start to make the same thing from here this time. Okay? That's the easiest way. Now we will make the same thing opposite way. This time we will start from the front side of our works. Just insert here and make a single crochet. Insert both stitch and both from here to grab the yarn and make a single crochet. And again, make the same thing. Same thing. And keep joining. I want to show you. It will look like that. You can use slip stitch here, and you can use same method, and you can use only one loop again, but this time you will use these inside loops, back loop and front loop. Okay, take back loop and front loop, grab the yarn, make a single. Front loop, back loop, a single. And it's like that. You can join your motifs, squares. And if you want to use slip stitch, it will look like that. I'm at the corner. I will make a single crochet here and directly go into that corners, make a single crochet and take the inside loops, make a single crochet. Take the inside loop, slip stitch, slip stitch, it's like that. And when you complete here, you will make the same thing from here this time. And I want to show you one last way. Actually, there is a lot of way. There's more, and I will make maybe another videos about them. Now I will use a different color to show you clearly how to make it, and this time I will join both sides so you can see how it look with both sides. We will use this inside loops again. Insert your hook from here. At first I will make a slip knot. Starting from this corner chain here, insert my hook here and take the inside loop. Just grab the yarn, pull it, and make a slip stitch. And again, take this back loop, grab the yarn, take this one, make a slip stitch. It will look like that. I will join all of them now. I'm at the corner now. I will insert here and here. Now I will insert from here. Keep making. I will join this side like that, and I'll see you there. I want to show you I'm at the corner and I'm making the last one here. Chain one, cut the yarn, turn it. Now we will make the same thing from here. First take the yarn, insert from here and here. I'll see you here. I'm almost at the end. I will take this last ones here. Now we will join here, just skip there, but I don't want to make it so tight, so I will make one chain, only one chain. And starting from here, make the same thing again. You will make the same thing for the other joining method I show you. You will join here first, and when you're joining here, when you came here, you can just chain one and skip here and start to make the same thing from the other side. Now I will join this part too and show you how it looks. I made the corner and chain one. Cut the yarn and it will look like that. I hope you like this joining method and use them. If you have any question, as I said before, please leave comments. And Siris Crochet is my Instagram address, and Pinterest and Facebook and website. It's all Siris Crochet. You can reach me there. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.